Pre, wala pang in-game name or AKA or also known as yang si Thanos para sa aking sariling mundo adventure. PM mo lang ako pre, libre lang yan, walang bayad. Free. Good. Etong si Spider-Man, meron ng owner to. Ang in-game name nito or AKA, Nastre. Ito naman si Bumblebee, meron na ring owner to. Ang in-game name nito, Osin. Okay, good. Sariling mundo adventure guys.
Pag meron ka nito, discounted ka na, absuelto ka pa. But wait, there's more. Pag nakasubscribe ka sa YouTube channel ko, may libre ka ng dahon ng laurel. Okay?